Hey Siri, play new No Pros RC.
Okay.
What's up, No Pros? Welcome back to the channel. And today we got this little guy here, which is my little Dodge Viper. And as you can see, yeah, she hasn't been running in a while. So we're gonna try to get her going. I need a glow plug to put in it. Let's see if we can get her going again. I also got some new tires that I want to put on her, so we're gonna see if we can get that done. Alright guys, so gonna start off by spraying a little WD-40 down in the hole. Just to kind of get things a little lubricated. I'm going to test this glow plug to make sure it actually glows. I'm going to take a sip of my Coke to give me some energy, because Nitro RCs are a pain in the ass. Then I'm going to take the trusty Wagner heat gun here and apply some heat and see if we can get old girl started.
A few moments later.
Okay, so glow plug confirmed, it does actually got that glow. So I'm gonna install that in there. But before I do that, I'm gonna apply a little heat down there. So we couldn't pull that before, got it loose now, so get the glow plug in it. Okay, so what I did was took a napkin, stuffed it down there, and I wish it was brawny, because maybe then it'll sop it all up, but it's doing the job for, you know, for the most part. So I'm gonna try to put another piece in there and go around in there and see if I can get, you know, most of it out of there. I don't recommend you guys do this, but it's what I'm doing, because yeah, I'm no pro. Anyway, let this be a lesson to you that make sure your fuel tank is empty before you set it up for the season, or for if you know you're not going to drive it for a while. Make sure your lines are clear and your fuel tank's empty, so you don't have this problem like I do. So it's a learning experience for me, and hopefully a lesson for you to don't do what I did. Okay, once again, I don't recommend you guys do this, but it's what I'm doing, because I don't know if this is the proper method or not, but I'm just sending it, sprayed a little WD-40 in there to kind of loosen it up a little bit, and yeah, I'm just going to send it. Thing I like about this little guy, here's a little primer here. And now, okay, after several pulls, a few curse words, nothing, not even a sputter. Okay, some good news, some good news. She sputtered. Let's see if we can get her to keep going. Darn it, so close. Darn. Well, I think we got it for the most part, but now we just got to figure on keeping her started without having the glow plug in it. The life of Nitro RCs. Anyway, but hey, at least she started. Stay tuned for the next video to see if we can get this guy actually running without stalling. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. You know, that'll make me feel better if we got more subscribers, so I can stop cussing this damn thing. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. I really would appreciate your support. Leave a comment below and tell me about your Nitro RC problems. Can't live with them, can't live without them. but you know, they're still fun. They're fun to tinker with and work on, and when you do get it running, that's your reward, you know what I mean? So anyway, y'all stay tuned for the next video. Oh, hold on, I wanted to show you guys this dusty body that's been sitting for quite some time. I actually painted this myself. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's like it's black, but it has like a green tint in the light. Now you can see some of my imperfections there. It was the first RC I ever painted, so hey, cut me a break, all right? But it's a learning experience, so that's what we do here at No Pros. So hopefully I can get her going. Then once I get her going, I can change these tires, and then maybe we can have some more fun with this guy. But stay tuned for the Traxxas Revo 3.3 testing and tune. I still got to charge those guys up. Probably gonna do that this weekend, and that might be the next video or this one. Haven't decided yet, but between this one or this one, you just have to stay tuned. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.